This is Viola. I'm in my kitchen today showing you the harvest from my potatoes. Um, these potatoes, I purchased seeds from Sam's Club, and these are the red potatoes. Um, but they're small, but guess what? They'll go good with some carrots, beef, and potatoes. Yes, it will. And my broccoli romanesca did not grow, so here are her leaves. She didn't put a head on, but guess what? I'm going to eat her leaves. So this is my harvest for today. Yep, that's a meal. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.